Sweetened condensed milk and crushed graham crackers. Okay. How many of those do we need exactly? Looks like a bowl of porridge. Okay, we got that now. So how do I turn this into a ball exactly? Start mixing the two using a spatula. Make sure that you put the condensed milk slowly and one at a time. Oh shit. Oh shit, I fucked up. God damn it. I fucked up. I didn't read ahead in the recipe. God damn it. Alright, no, it's fine. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. We're gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna start mixing this shit. And pray it works. What the fuck? Oh, wait a minute. I'm seeing you guys saying that evaporated and condensed milk are very different. I actually didn't know that. I searched for condensed milk on Amazon Fresh, and it gave me a can of condensed milk, and I thought, oh great, that must be what I'm looking for. Oh no. What's the difference? Condensed is a lot thicker. Right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Could I thicken this with flour, potentially? Could I potentially thicken this with flour? It looks like vomit, doesn't it? Condensed milk is also sweet. Well, we can just add sugar. Never trust Amazon. Yeah, clearly. Yeah, this is just porridge at this point. There we go. No! I spilt it everywhere! No! It looks like I threw up on the floor! Oh, no! This is a disaster! Oh, this is so bad! This is so bad! This whole recipe has gone to shit. I haven't got a single step right. Oh, no! No! You know what? That's fine. That's fine. I need to tidy this up. Oh dear, that looks absolutely vile. Alright. Paper towels. I actually don't have many paper towels left. Oh no. Actually, I have like 3 left. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Get you on the floor. Yeah. Oh, disgusting. It looks like I threw up. Watch and fucking learn, maybe. No! What?! You guys aren't gonna fucking believe this. You motherfuckers aren't gonna believe this. You motherfuckers aren't gonna believe this. I had condensed milk the whole time. I had condensed milk the whole time. I just got them mixed up. No, it wasn't Amazon's fault. It was my fault. God. Squeezy. That makes sense. God fucking damn it. This stream is playing out like a fucking comedy of errors. I feel like I'm on an episode of Monty Python. This is fantastic. This is some of the best content I've ever made. That was actual unscripted comedic timing. That was unscripted Deus Ex Machina right there. So happy with that. I am actually a walking, talking story being told. It's sad, though, that the victim of that story happens to be me. Oh well.